Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see a wonderful opportunity to all the PhD aspirants guys. That means here I am going to show you the few departments if you belongs to those departments and whatever the eligibility conditions are there. So please try to apply for this one. Why? Because here we got the PhD notification from the DRDO unit, that is Defense Research Development Organization. The unit of this one is Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, DIAT. So from this one here we got the notification regarding the PhD admissions guys. So really it is a wonderful opportunity and treat this one is one of your opportunity to serve the nation. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity guys, and I'm requesting you to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of PhD notifications in the wonderful institute. Fine, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Of the video, so it is Defense Institute of Advanced Technology from Pune, and it is the unit of DRDO guys, and it is the official website of this one. So if you scroll down, you may check down here. Apply online for admission to the PhD program for the session July 2021 under the scholarship or the national fellowship category. Okay, so click on this one and then you will be directed to this application notification guys. Okay, we will see this notification very clearly. So Defense Institute of Advanced Technology is an institute of national repute for higher learning, and the institute imparts education and training in the advanced technologies used for tri-services, DRDO, DPSU, etc. Okay, and DIAT is grown over the years into premier teaching and the research institute for DRDO as well as the armed forces. And the DIAT offering the PhD full-time in the frontier areas of aerospace engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, computer science and engineering, applied physics, applied mathematics, material engineering and applied chemistry. So few limited institute fellowships are also available here, so the interested candidates may apply for this one guys. And while coming to the subject or research areas, here you may check down. Here the research areas are also given here. Okay, I am telling you the departments here. Anyhow, I am providing this PDF link in the description box of this video. So if you want to get the more details, you may check out in the official website as well as in this notification guys. So here the departments are materials and the metallurgical engineering, applied mathematics, mechanical engineering, computer science and engineering, applied physics, school of quantum technology and applied chemistry. And in addition to the above, the project staff who are working under the sponsored project at present in the DRDO, and the candidates having the CSIR net or DST or the UGC net or any other national fellowships or the scholarships, they are eligible to apply for the PhD admission in any subject of the concerned department. Fine. And here I have checked on the few more departments: applied chemistry, applied mathematics, mechanical engineering and electronics engineering, metallurgical and material engineering, computer science and engineering, applied physics as well as the aerospace engineering. Fine. And coming to the qualification, a candidate seeking the admission, that means the candidate who are looking for the admission to the PhD program in this DIAT institute, those candidates must have the 55% of marks in the post graduation, that means in the qualifying examination. In that 55%, 5% relaxation is provided to the SC, ST and OBC non-creamy layer as well as PWD category candidates. Okay, and here the eligible exam is master's degree, that means qualifying examination is, that means you must have the 55% in Master of Engineering or else Master of Technology or else the Master of Science. Apart from this one, the candidate must have any one of these, A or B qualification must be there. So here the A is the candidate must be qualified in the CSIR or UGC NET or the GATE or the Rajiv Gandhi National Fellowship or NBHM etc. And the subject wise and category wise GATE or NET cutoff will be decided by the DIAT. Fine. Or else a candidate who is recipient of National Doctor Fellowship or other fellowships from the government or semi-government organizations such as CSIR, UGC, INAE ACT, DST, DBT, DRDO and DAE. So these candidates also may apply, guys. So that means if you are having only post graduation, there is no opportunity here. You must have the PG plus UGC NET or CSIR NET or else the GATE or else any one of these things. Okay, then only you can apply. And here age limit is also there, guys. So note above 30 years, sorry, not above 30 years. That means 30 years is the maximum age limit as on July 1st, 2021. Anyhow, in the age limitation, some relaxations will be there as per the Government of India rules. Okay, but for the unreserved category, 30 years is the maximum age limit. And women candidates are encouraged to apply for the admission, and the institute shall implement the reservation policy in PhD admission. And the selection based upon the entrance test as well as the interview, guys, personal interview will be there. And financial assistance is also provided. The selected candidates against the admission notice and admitted to the full-time PhD, those candidates will be provided the financial assistance as per the institute rules in force from time to time. And the PhD students who are getting the fellowship from the institute, they have to work 10 hours per week in addition to their own duties to assist in research as well as the teaching activities. And those candidates also will get the 15,000 every year contingency also. And here the boarding and lodging as well as how to apply means you have to go into the official website, guys, and I will show you how to apply for this one. That means just click on this one, guys. Okay, so here you will be directed to this one, and here click on the sign up here. Why? Because if you are a new user, click on the sign up here, and then you have to fill up all these details and then click on the submit. Then you will be having with password also. So based upon the email ID as well as the password, both these two, you can start filling up of the online application form. Okay. So here the application fee is 500 rupees and 250 rupees for the women and reserved category SC, ST, PWD candidates. And the hard copy has to be sent to the DAAT by 30th June 2021. Few more general instructions are also given here, so you may check down, guys. And coming to the important dates, online application process starts on 24th May 2021, that is from tomorrow onwards. And the last date for accepting the online application form is 23rd June 2021. And the receipt of hard copy is 30th June 2021, and the tentative date of entry or the written test is 3rd or 4th week of July 2021, and the commencement of program July 2021. And these dates are tentative dates, they may change depending upon the situation in view of COVID-19. So these are the complete details regarding the PhD admission in the DAAT Institute, guys. So please don't miss this opportunity if you are having the eligibility conditions. Okay. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.